In this video, you will learn how to add images on top of video in iMovie. So if you want to put pictures on top of video in iMovie, then this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro and welcome back to another iMovie video tutorial in which you will learn how to add images on top of video in iMovie. Now without any further delay, let's get started. As you can see here I have created a new iMovie project in which I have imported a video and now I want to put a picture on top of video, something like this. You can see here I have added the image on top of video and it is like a watermark on the video. So how do you do that? By default, if you bring any picture in iMovie video project, you will notice that the image will play like this. The image is moving and we need to put the image the right way on the video. For that, we will have to click on the image layer first, and when you will click on that, you will notice that a yellow border is outside the image layer. That denotes the image layer has been selected. Similarly, if we click on the video layer, you will notice that the yellow layer is on that. So that is selected right now, but if we want to select image layer, we will have to click here and you will notice that it is selected now. And once the image layer has been selected, what you need to do is you need to click on this first icon, which is for video overlay settings. So click on that, and after that you will notice that currently it is cut away selected here. So we will click on this drop down icon and then select the option that says picture in picture, and that will transform the image from covering the entire screen to a selected portion like this. But currently you will notice that the certain portion of image has been cropped and the entire image is not showing. So we need to fix that, and for that we will first click on this done check mark, and after that we will click on the fourth icon, that is for cropping. So we will select the cropping tool, and after that you will notice that here the style is selected as Ken Burns. So currently the Ken Burns is active on this image and we need to change that from Ken Burns to fit or crop to fill. When selected crop to fill, you will need to select the portion that you want to show, and if you want to show entire image, you can click on fit, and after that click on this done check mark. So you can see now if we preview it, you will notice that this is how the image will appear. And while this image layer has been selected, we can also click on this overlay settings again and resize it to fit our needs, like this, increasing from the corners or simply clicking in the middle and dragging it like this. So if you want to put it like a watermark in the bottom right corner of your video, you can keep that like this. And once that is done, you can click on this done check mark, and that will simply put the image on the top of video like a watermark, like this. You can see if I preview it, you can see the image on the video. So this is how you add pictures or images on top of video in iMovie. And by the way, if you want to learn how to put two videos side by side in iMovie, make sure to tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.